Hi guys, it's Madness Nailite. Sorry, my dad just came home, I guess. So, look, my hair is still purple-ish, pinkish. So, we love that. It's all good and vibrant. And so, I actually got a new phone. This is an iPhone. Look how beautiful it is. It's all shiny. And yeah, so I love it. I always had a Samsung. That was actually my only smartphone was my S5 since I was a senior in high school because my sister gave me it. Because she got the new one right after she got that one for some reason. I don't know. But anyways, today, let me grab this. We are going to be using the Just My Look palette. Now, the other day I used it with my Bougie Babe Tea Time glitter. It looks like that, but I don't think it turned out very good because I put like glitter glue over one of the shadows in here, and I don't know, I don't think it worked out very well, so I'm just going to be using Mary Jane because I'm going to be putting Mary Jane in a halo eye because that's what I'm going to do today. So it looks like this. You've probably already seen it because this has been out for a while now. So I think, well, I have a plan this time that I think could probably work better. So we are going to try that all out. And so I'm going to do all of my foundation, concealer, and all my face makeup, and then I will be right back with you guys just so it's like a shorter video and stuff. And then yeah, I'll talk a little bit between things, but pretty much it. So when I get back I will show you everything I use. So alright, so for my face today I use the Tarte Park Avenue Princess. Now both of these were in my July Ipsy bag, so that's what this looks like. And then I use my Space Case Cosmetics blush in the shade It's Not Me, It's My Sign. A very cute pink. Okay, anyways. So this is the Moonchild palette by Anastasia. So I use Lucky Clover today just because green is my favorite color. Sorry, kitty. And then I'm going to start digging in with my Just My Luck. Now, I do not have contacts in on. Oh my god. I don't have my contacts in at all because I have had like a cold, so I had a sore throat and a runny nose, and now I'm sneezing a little bit. So I'm gonna take Chances Are, which is the shade right here. It's that light green. I'm going to put that all over my crease. So I'm gonna look over here, I guess. Alright, I think that looks good for now. And then I am going to actually take Kiss My Ass also in my crease. So that's the next lightest shade of green. So let's put that in my crease. I'm using the same brush. This is the BH Cosmetics number 9. Alright, and I'm kind of like blending that out. So I think I'm going to add like a bit more. Alright, let me quickly blend the edges just so they're nice and smooth. And then what I'm going to do is go in with Act Natural, which is this dark green shade. So I'm going to take that on my... Anyways, so yeah, I'm going to take my Anastasia 16 and I'm going to dip into Act Natural, and then I'm going to put that all over here. See, I used Kiss My Ass on my lids the other day, but I think chances are it was like way too light for a crease color. So I don't like how it ended up turning out. Alright, so let me put Miss Mary Jane right there in that space in between Act Natural. Sorry, you probably won't be able to see me put it on because I have to use my fingers. Now, alternatively, you can use a brush with setting spray. How beautiful that is. And then I'm going to take this little detail brush and I'm going to take Act Natural and put that in my crease. Kind of meet it. I may have took Mary Jane a little too high, but it's okay. We can blend everything out. So that's what I'm going to do next. I'm just going to blend that out. And then what I'm going to do is go back in with Chances Are, just to kind of soften it up there. And then I'm going to go back in with Kiss My Ass too. Just so that there's something in my crease area. And then once again, I'm going to go in with Mary Jane and add to that, but try not to go to the top at least. Now this, to me, looks like a beautiful Packer look. Just going to go in again. I think that looks really good. So I am going to do the other eye off camera, do my eyeliner and stuff, and do my brow highlight with my Moonchild palette, and I will be right back, guys. So this is the finished look. It's pretty dramatic, so you can definitely wear it to like a St. Patty's Day party or a parade or whatever you'd like, or to the bars, anything like that. Ooh. That's gross. I have like a primer on my nail. Okay. So, I'm going to review this Bare Minerals because I got this as a Vox box in a separate video just because I feel like I should just leave this video for Colourpop. But today I'm going to be using the lipstick from Bare Minerals. It is their... I can't read that, it's too small, but it's in the shade Insight. It's a very hydrating lipstick, but obviously I'll give like a separate review, and we'll just focus on this lipstick. Ooh, it smells really good too. It smells really good. Like, I don't know how to describe it. It's like candy-ish. But I thought this would be the perfect look because it's like more so of a nude look, or lip. And because we're kind of dramatic with my eyes today, I mean, I thought that would be good. So this is our final look today. So let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and favorite it, add it to a playlist, whatever you want to do. And thank you so much for watching. Bye, my artists.